Passenger A is looking at a bus that is moving on a road from west to east. In the bus, passenger B is sitting while another passenger C is walking around from east to west. A, at rest with respect to the road, is looking at B and C. The question is to describe the motion. When you are asked to describe the motion of an object, it means to indicate whether an object is at rest or in motion. To tell whether an object is at rest or in motion, first we have to choose a specific reference. Then check whether the position of the object is changing relative to the reference or not. If the position does not change, the object is at rest. If the position changes, the object is in motion. Part A. Describe the motion of B and C as seen by A. In this case, A is the reference. B is in the bus. The bus is moving towards A. B is getting closer to A, which means that his position is changing relative to A. So B is in motion relative to A. C is walking in the bus. The bus is moving towards A. C is getting away from A, which means that his position is changing relative to A. C is in motion relative to A. Part B. Describe the motion of A and C as seen by B. B is the reference. B is the reference. A is standing on the road. B, the reference, is in the bus. The bus is moving. A is getting closer to B. So his position is changing relative to B. Then A is in motion relative to B. C is walking in the bus. He is changing his position relative to B. He was in front of B. Now behind B. Then C is said to be in motion relative to B. Part C. Describe the motion of A and B as seen by C. C is the reference. A standing on the road. C is walking in the moving bus. A is getting away from C. So his position is changing relative to C. Then A is in motion relative to C. B is sitting in the bus. He was behind C. Now C is moving. B is in front of C. His position is changing relative to C. This means that B is in motion relative to C. Part D. Describe the motion of A, B, and C relative to the ground. Ground is the reference. A is standing on the ground. His position is not changing relative to the ground. He is still in his same location. So A is at rest relative to the ground. B is sitting in the bus. The bus is moving along the road. The position of B is changing relative to the ground. Then B is in motion relative to the ground. C, who is walking in the moving bus, is changing his position relative to the ground. C is in motion relative to the ground. Part E. Describe the motion of A, B, and C relative to the bus. The bus is the reference. A is standing on the road. The bus is getting closer to A. The position of A is changing relative to the bus. A is in motion relative to the bus. B is sitting in the bus while moving. B is still in his same seat, in his same location in the bus. So his position is not changing relative to the bus. B is at rest relative to the bus. C is walking in the bus, which means that he is changing his position relative to the bus. Then C is in motion relative to the bus.